Hi, I'm Dan Emmer, founder and executive director of Worthwhile Wear. Worthwhile Wear is a nonprofit organization that exists to reach and serve survivors of human trafficking, both overseas and here in the U.S. and our local communities. At our core, Worthwhile Wear believes that everyone is worthwhile and deserving of care. Our work entails reaching survivors in our communities through our outreach program, which we call Worth It. It also includes providing long-term housing up to 2 years in our housing program called The Well. We also provide employment through our stores, Worthwhile Thrift, which are located in Plumsteadville and Collegeville. When we started over 12 years ago, it was one employee, myself, and then a lot of volunteers stepped up. Today, 12 years later, we have about 80 staff. We have hundreds of volunteers. What we want is people to know that they can play a part in this and be part of the solution, especially when they give financially, knowing that 100% of the proceeds go to the services serving these local survivors of human trafficking. Organizations like Volpe Enterprises, who's hosting an open house and silent auction, we are honored that we're the beneficiary of those proceeds. We work with survivors that have experienced significant trauma, but through the outreach of our programs and the partnership with our community and organizations like Volpe Enterprises, we're able to help them understand that they have value and worth. And so we hope that you'll join with us in letting them know that they are worthwhile.